I'm Ted, one of the founders of Coulée Coffee Company, and this is the new Coulée Swirl automated pour-over system. It's super easy to use, and I'm going to show you how. The brewer actually ships with a little tag that has a QR code on it for instructional videos, but if you made it this far, you won't need that. Regardless, you want to take this off. And then to use the brewer, it's incredibly simple. You just power it on. You get your cup of water. We recommend about 10 ounces. And then you just pour the water into the water reservoir. For a golden cup of coffee, for the right ratio of 16:1, you want to fill the water tank just to the top of the little island that's in here. So the brewer's on, you place the cup underneath, the water and cup lights are green, and you press brew. So right now the water's transferring from the water tank to the boiler, and we have about 100 seconds to get the coffee EcoPour filter ready. So you open this up, these are filled with nitrogen. We get the oxygen level down to less than 1%, which keeps the coffee really fresh for probably at least 6 months. This is our new all-paper EcoPour. The filter's paper, it's literally 99% paper, 100% compostable, and biodegradable. To use it, you carefully open the inside. It's like a Kleenex box. You just tear that off and place the EcoPour on the swirl arm. So at this point, the water's heating to about 205 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus about a degree. And that's really important as it's one of the ingredients for the golden cup of coffee, which are literally water temperature at 205, which provides an optimum extraction. And then the ratio of coffee to water is 16:1, measured in grams. And then the dwell time, where you really need about 3 minutes in a pour over to get the optimal extraction out of the coffee. So the brewer's gonna start right now, and it'll dispense about 1 ounce of water and then pause for 10 seconds. And we call this the bloom, and it's basically an important step where we wet the beans, allow the beans to open and the CO2 to come out, and that helps keep the acidity of the water down. At this point, the brewer will literally mimic a manual pour-over by adding water, agitating and adding water. So it adds water, lets it brew, and adds water again. And we determine that by using a little temperature probe behind the filter so that it truly mimics what a human would do if you were making a pour-over. We decided to use a moving swirl arm because to mimic a manual pour-over, we had to move either the water or the coffee. We tried both, and it turned out that when we moved the coffee, we got a little more agitation, and it helped improve the extraction of the coffee, the richness, and the measured dissolved solids was improved dramatically, which is also important for a golden cup of coffee. The brewer itself has a stainless steel boiler and stainless steel water spigot, so it's about as healthy as you can get for any brewing system. It's just designed to make the best possible cup of coffee with the lowest amount of environmental impact. So it's almost finished dispensing water. So the brewing's done, it's shut down, it auto shuts off. Once it's done, the EcoPour can go straight in your compost pile. One of our goals was to really try to address the billions and billions of pods going to landfills every year. So this has an extremely low environmental impact, but yet makes a fantastic cup of coffee with literally almost no work at all. You know, we have everything pre-measured, the coffee, the water, the timing, so no measuring, no weighing. You get a golden cup of coffee with this system every time. Now it's your turn. Enjoy.